as I always said, move with those or walk with those who know the road. If you don't walk with those who know the road, you will lose on your way. That is the philosophy. I am here today to give you the part 2 of the video we did last week, how to do buy and sell with lesser money but gain more profit. This is the next episode. Straightforward. I am not going to do anything. I'm not going to discuss anything. I'm going straight to the point. Then we figure out which car is the next to buy as a beginner, how to start buy and sell and gain more money and increase your earning, increase your profit. That is what we are doing, because some of people watching me have money, but they don't know what kind of business they will do. They feel like if I do business and my money stuck or I lost it, so the money is just in the bank and for nothing, you are not getting any profit, anything from your money you are earning. So that is why Eric Auto Center is here to, show you the way to make money using small money to start buy and sell. That is the ultimate way. As low as the money you can afford, buy it, bring it, work on it. You can spec it as good as you want, sell it and gain big. That is the business. We use money to attract money. We use money to gain money. So if you are doing business, make sure you invest into it and you gain it back. That is the reality and that's the philosophy. So that is the number 2 car you have to start looking for. Toyota Corolla 110, 2000 and 2002 model. It's the best car that is value for money. If you put it on scale, it won't take time. Somebody will buy it, then you get your money. The third car is Toyota Corolla Kwame or Corolla S. Starting from 2003 to 2007, Corolla Kwame is one of the most valuable car you have to start buying. For me, if you get those 2 cars, Corolla 110 and Corolla Kwame, 2003 to 2007, please, if any car is value for money for selling, don't skip with those 2 cars. I tell you, some of people watching me will call me and thank me that your content is really helping us. Your content is, very educative, very informative. Your content is really value for money. It makes sense because a lot of guys out there who have a pleasure to watching me have money, a lot of money there, but they don't know what to do with the money. That is why I have researched a lot and figured out some people are lacking in terms of business, and this is the time you have to push forward to make use of your money, because buy and sell car in Ghana is worth it. It's worth it. So start as little as you can. Start from Daewoo Matrix trade. When you sell it, you can push to another Daewoo Matrix. If you know your money, your earning is increased, you can go for Toyota Corolla 2002. Then you go for Toyota Corolla 203, 204, 205, 207. All is the same model. So you can able to go to, from that you can upgrade to Corolla 09, 010. From that you can upgrade to Camry. You can upgrade to 2013. You can upgrade to all these cars are there. So don't go and buy a car that will stack your money. Watch into the system. Learn how you can able to maneuver. Learn how you can able to handle your money. Don't let your money stack. That is why I'm showing you some of the cars you need to buy, so that it can able to, for the selling, it will go faster. You can sell it fast, go for another car, you can sell it fast. It doesn't matter. If you know Toyota Corolla 202 or 203 that you can sell and get your money faster, anytime go for that car. Anytime go for that car and it will help you. Make sure you get it, you sell it, you get your money. These cars are value for money. These are some of the cars you have to buy when you are a beginner. If your money is increasing or your earning is increasing, and if you don't know what to do with it, we are here to help you. So you can contact us so that we show you the way. If you haven't yet subscribed to Eric Auto Center, please, I don't know what you are doing. Please don't hesitate to subscribe. Make sure you click the notification bell so that you won't miss any video we upload on this platform. Share the video, like and comment. Share to your friends, your family, your loved ones, and all your social media platforms. Put in your status, your WhatsApp status, your Facebook story, and Instagram. Share our videos to go viral, to reach out to many people, so that others can also benefit from what we are doing. If anything you didn't understand or I didn't mention in the video, please put in the comment section, because I take my audience feedback more seriously, and that is what we are here to do for you. Watch out, wait for part 3. Until then, stay blessed. Bye bye.